In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm Debit Card. Think of the Affirm card as a Visa debit card with extra flexibility built in. You can pay in full like a typical debit purchase, or when eligible, request a payment plan right from the app. That way you decide whether to cover the purchase now or spread it out, depending on what fits your budget. Once your card is created, you actually get two versions. First, a virtual Affirm card appears in your app immediately, so you can start using it right away. Second, a physical card will arrive in about 7 to 10 business days, and it will need to be activated before use. If you originally applied through Apple Pay, you'll need to request a physical card in the Affirm app. Both cards connect to the same account, but they have different numbers for added security. You'll find the physical card number on the back of the card. To view the virtual card number, open the Affirm app, go to the card tab, then tap the image of the card at the top to reveal your card details. Here's how transactions work. If you've linked a bank account, you can request payment plans before checkout for eligible purchases over $35 or after checkout within 24 hours for eligible purchases over $50. You can also choose to pay in full using funds from your linked account. If you don't have a linked bank account, the card only works when you request a payment plan before checkout. If you also have an Affirm Money account linked, you get extra time, 48 hours instead of 24, to request a plan after checkout on eligible purchases. You can use both the virtual and physical card anywhere Visa is accepted, with payment plans subject to merchant eligibility. For online shopping, enter your card details just like any other debit card. In stores, you can insert or tap your physical card at the register, or use your virtual card by adding it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless checkout. You don't have to wait for the physical card to start shopping. Your virtual card can be added to your mobile wallet immediately. To add your Affirm card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay, open the Affirm app, choose the card tab, tap the settings gear in the top right, and select Add to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Then follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. As you use your card, keep an eye on eligibility messages, amounts, and due dates in the app so you always know exactly how you're paying.